So I know what you're saying. You're looking up at all these ingredients here and you see the grits over here and you're saying, well, I don't like grits. I hear it all the time. Then you're looking over here and you're seeing the turnip greens and you're saying, well, I don't like turnip greens. But when I combine these two elements together, you're going to be saying, oh, I love grits and I love greens. Welcome to All Things Food with John Woods. I love to cook, but I cook to love. So let's talk food. So what we're going to do today, we're going to follow the instructions for our grits. I usually cook these a little longer than 5 minutes, but cook your grits according to the instructions on the package. And then we have all these other ingredients here. We're going to open up a can of grains. These are Old Glory grains, and they're fabulous. They're already pre-seasoned. I like using those. Fry up a little bit of bacon. We have 2 seasonings here. We have garlic powder and onion powder, salt and pepper, some Parmesan cheese, and a little extra cream over here for our grits. So we've already cooked the grits. I'm going to just pour them into a mixing bowl here. I just followed the instructions on the package, and you're really going to like this dish. I'm pretty confident with that. So there we have our grits, and then I'm going to just start mixing all these other ingredients here. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. We don't need all that, maybe a couple handfuls, and we'll put a recipe down below. A can of greens. We're going to dump all those in there with a little bit of the juice. Come over here, a little bit of garlic powder. You don't need a whole lot of it, just a little bit. Maybe about a teaspoon. A little bit of onion powder, the same. Throw that in. See how I like to measure everything, and I've already cooked my bacon. So we're going to put some bacon in here with the grease that comes off the bacon, of course. It makes it good. We'll stir all this together. Really, really good. And then I'm going to come back and add a little bit of heavy whipping cream just to give it a little more smoother, creamier texture. So you can kind of see the consistency, so I think we need to add a little bit of heavy cream. So come over here and I'm going to pour in maybe about a half a cup. Stir that up real good and see what it looks like. That's looking pretty good, actually. I mean, you will be amazed when you cook this dish how good it is. You can add more bacon if you want to, more cheese, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to taste that, see if it needs anything else. Good. Probably a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. I can taste that hickory smoked bacon in there. For my liking, I could have actually used a little bit more of that. We're good today. Just get a baking dish, spray it with Pam. We're going to pour these right into that. I've got an oven preheating back there at about 350 degrees. See the texture and consistency of that? It's not real thick. It's just a little bit creamy. And we're going to cook this uncovered probably for maybe 20 minutes. Remember, everyone's oven varies just a little bit, but we're going to cook this and check it. If you want to at this point, you can sprinkle a little bit more Parmesan cheese on it right here. Bacon bits if you want to. And we're going to throw it in like this, and I'll see you in about 20 minutes. So remember what I told you? You say, I don't like grits, I don't like greens, but we combined the two, grits and greens, stuck them in the oven. Here's the final product, and we're going to plate it up. And it goes great with catfish or barbecue or just about anything. So there's a nice little scoop of it. I'm going to put a piece of catfish with it. Could have some hush puppies here. And I'm going to really enjoy this. That hickory smoked bacon really, really makes this dish. Next time I'm going to put some jalapenos in it. Thank you for watching All Things Food, and I'm John Woods. and I love to cook. I love sharing these recipes with you. Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on 50 Ways to Love Side Dishes.